I'm Pamela Rose, and today we're going to talk about major scales, tones and semitones, and enharmonics. A scale is simply a series of notes going up and down in step, and major scales are the most popular scales we play. I want to talk about the construction of a major scale. But to do that, I need first of all to confirm the definition of tones and semitones with you. A semitone is quite simply the shortest distance between two notes. And if I play all the black notes and the white notes consecutively going up and down, the notes are all one semitone apart. That's called a chromatic scale. And I'll cover chromatic scales later on in the sessions. Whilst we're here, I want you to note that E and F are only a semitone apart, and also that B and C are only a semitone apart. So a semitone is the shortest distance between two notes. Semi means half, so logically, two semitones will make a tone. For example, from C to C sharp is a semitone. But if I play another semitone on top of that, so it becomes C to D, it becomes a tone. A tone then from C to D, which is just two semitones put together. Now we know what a tone and a semitone are. We're ready to understand the construction of a major scale. All major scales have exactly the same format, and that is tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Let's have a look at that again. Tone, tone, semitone. Then a tone, another tone, another tone, and a semitone. With this knowledge, we can construct a major scale from any note we choose. Let's try playing one from D. We can go tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. And those notes are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. In these diatonic scales, and diatonic simply means major or minor, all the notes must go in alphabetical order. So looking at that D major again, the first few notes must be D, E, F sharp and G, and not D, E, G flat and G. If we use E to G flat, we've missed out the F in the alphabet, which is something we cannot do. I'd like us to have a look at this F sharp, and I'm sure we've noticed that G flat and F sharp are exactly the same pitched note. When this happens, it's called an enharmonic. There are enharmonics on every single note of the piano. So F sharp is an enharmonic of G flat, and G flat is an enharmonic of F sharp. Enharmonics are frequently asked about in your grade 5 theory examination. The fact that a scale goes up and down in steps can very clearly be seen also on the manuscript. So C major would start on a line of C, then D is a space, E is a line, F a space, G a line, A a space, B a line, and C a space. Let's also look at that D major again and see it in the two different ways we looked at it. One with using the F sharp and one using incorrectly a G flat. In the D major using the F sharp, you would go D on a space, E a line, F sharp a space, G a line, A a space, B a and D a line. However, if you use G flat, you'd find you had D on a space, E a line, G flat on a line. So you'd have two lines together, showing how incorrect that would be. To make a further musical connection with your major scales is important. Try singing them in tones and semitones. For example, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. As you're doing that, really connect and see and feel the distance between your tones and your semitones. It's important that you musically connect everything you learn in your theory. My next session is going to be on degrees of the scale, and I look forward to seeing you there.